안녕하세요. Welcome to London Creative, and the flow art gear is on, the painting gear. If you didn't already know, back in June this year, Tora and myself, we went to Korea and then Japan, and it was great, and we plan on going back. But today I thought I'd tie the two together, flow art and Korea. I'm going to paint the Korean flag and use the Korean flag as the starting point to make some flower paintings. Let's see how this goes. Not sure. Let's see. It's taking a while to get this. I think this white base layer might be a bit thick. I've got three colours, red, blue and black, and I've got some whites to go in between. Because I'm going to try and break it up. Okay, we have a solid line. Okay, I'm just going to round everything. I'm going to blast down on that and then blast out. Attempt 2, thin down the paint a little, just a bit of a smudge there. I'm going to try the same thing again. Try this again. This time I'm just going to pull. That was rather a lot.
Ain't no stopping, so high up we floating. We just came to party, yeah, we living for the moment.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they.
I can need more red.
CJ Ack, now I gotta roll with ice. These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ack, now I gotta roll with ice.
I can't listen to it when I'm all alone. And I can't listen to it when you're gone. I can't listen to it when I'm all alone. And I can't listen to it.
Okay, one last attempt.
Ain't no stopping, so high up we floating. We just came to party, yeah, we living for the moment.
South Korea 1 and 2. Well, that's the South Korean nebula, that one. This one, I don't know. This one's still not quite dry, so still got a bit of a sheen to it. Whereas this one, very definitely, yeah. Also, there's a bird in the corner. Well, there we go. What do you think? It turned out quite okay in the end. Well, yeah, I hope you liked it. That's all. See ya.